wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best telephoto smartphone lenses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. As long as you're standing the proper distance from your target, the Vorida Black will capture images with impressive clarity. If you're trying to create a lasting memory with a large group of people, the included wide-angle lens will come in handy too. It comes with a remote control shutter and a cleaning cloth. However, it won't accommodate phones with cases on. At number 9, from concert seats in the nosebleeds to an isolated patch of unspoiled nature, plenty of situations will present you with opportunities to put the todi cell to good use. It's ideal for most long-range shots and compatible with most mobile devices. The clip screws in securely and it doubles as a monocular, but it's a bit hard to use without a tripod. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The telephoto lens that comes with the bostionye universal is certainly useful, but it's the super wide-angle 190-degree fisheye and powerful macro lenses included with this set that makes it so attractive. The tripod and remote shutter will come in handy too. It also comes with a kaleidoscope filter and a carrying case for all the pieces. However, some of the lenses can be tough to align. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for telephoto smartphone lenses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, not only will the Xenvo Pro and its sturdy grip clip to your phone with stability, its rubber pads will protect your device from scratches. A special coating on the wide-angle lens minimizes dark corners, ghosting, and reflections. It includes a lanyard for carrying and 3 brightness settings, but it is rather bulky and cumbersome. Moving up our list to number 6. Outdoors enthusiasts and travelers will always be prepared for a spontaneous photography session with the criacr kit, as all the included pieces fit snugly within a convenient little carrying bag. Just note that the wide-angle and macro lenses are connected. It comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee and an easy-to-use mini tripod. It's good value for the quality. Halfway up our list at number 5. Creative folks can have a blast with the omitium zoom and its special accessories, such as a star filter that adds vibrant flares of light to an image, and a special lens that enhances colors, increases contrast, and reduces reflections. It includes a useful carabiner on the travel case and features minimal distortion from the fisheye lens and quick and simple clip adjustments. At number 4, there's no need to miss out on a captivating scene in the distance when you can simply look through the apexel power and see it with stunning clarity. It's great for close-ups as well, and it's easy to set up on the included tripod. It boasts powerful zoom capabilities and a soft and comfortable eye cup. It comes with lens caps. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, given that the Mactrem 9-in-1 includes several lenses, a tripod, an eye cup, a cleaning cloth, and a storage box, it's clearly a good value at the price. The clip attaches easily to most smartphones, and each lens delivers vibrant, accurate colors. It works on single and dual cameras and is equipped with a durable aluminum alloy housing. Its macro lens captures tons of detail. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for telephoto smartphone lenses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, budget-friendly and uncomplicated, the eweima clip-on comes with all the essentials beginners could ask for as they explore the art of mobile phone photography. The fisheye lens produces an amusing effect, making it ideal for fun selfies. It includes 4 lenses and each is clearly labeled. It's effective at minimizing glare. And coming in at number 1 on our list. You'll have to purchase an M-series case to attach the Moment Tele to your phone, but you likely won't regret the investment. Most models can't match its clarity and depth, whether you're capturing a portrait at a close distance or snapping a sweeping landscape. It's backed by a 1-year warranty and is easy to wipe clean with a cloth. It features a super sharp focus and definition. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for telephoto smartphone lenses, or simply click beneath this video.